There's a certain irony in this. Apple, it appears, according to rumors and reports, has taken the team that does the AirPort Extreme and moved them over to the Apple TV. And that would make sense in the new Apple that they probably wouldn't make routers anymore. And at the same time, J.D. Power released a study saying it is the #1 customer satisfaction router in the world.
Customer sat
beating ASUS, D-Link, TP-Link, Netgear, Belkin, Linksys, of course, on the bottom. 3,037 customers. They measured overall satisfaction, Wi-Fi range, reliability, speed of upload, download, restore connection easily, security capabilities, price, ease of use, variety of features, intuitive user interface, and customer service. And by a fairly large margin, Apple beat the average and became #1 with 876 points out of 1,000.
And it was not, contrary to some FUD, a Cupertino City survey. It was actually
I don't think that's going to change Apple's mind. Bloomberg.
I don't think
Mark
we know
Gurman.
Apple's mind, though. I think that, a lot of times we see the elephant and we're like, oh, tail. Yeah. This is clearly a tail. And oh, look, big snake. And there really is an elephant. So whether Apple is really getting rid of the routers, whether they're working on a next generation router, they're making their own home hub. They're going to build. I mean, like I said, the rumor is Apple's going to be doing truly wireless charging next year. If you walk into your house and your phone starts charging, what is controlling that? What is it charging from? I mean, there's all sorts of interesting things going on.
Well, does it? Maybe the home hub is now the Apple TV.
Maybe.
And maybe that team moving over to the Apple TV. What if the Apple TV became your router?
Is your router? Is your charger? Right. Is your HomeKit hub?
Well, I think they'd like to sell you a lot of different things rather than roll. It doesn't make as much sense. But considering how exciting the idea of mesh networks is becoming in the home, if Apple were to decide we're going to make everything mesh, and not only does it allow us to deliver a more modern sort of networking experience that works better in more installations, but now it's sort of slipping under the door. It allows us to put, here is a Apple device with radios in it that is inside the bedroom. Here is one that's inside the living room. Here is one that's inside the kitchen. And now not in this creepy way, but now we know where somebody is by virtue of I know their watch is in the living room, so therefore the user is in the living room. How can we improve the experience by knowing that's where somebody is? Can we send alerts instead of to everywhere in the house? Can we send it to expressly the device that they're closest to right now? There are a lot of things that they could do. Rene has a good point that one of the frustrating things about the way Apple works is that they're not going to tell you why they're doing anything. Partly because they themselves don't know what they're going to be doing in a few years. They want to leave their options open, but it means that we can all be bemoaning the fact that, oh, look, they're getting out of networking. Why are they getting out of networking? And then come July, they're rolling out this amazing new product that makes me want to throw out the $300 stuff that I bought last year and replace it all with the new Apple stuff.